horrible feeling because we know we all have to die, but having to die under these circumstances, it's terrible.
Tonight, a South Florida family wants answers after their loved one died of COVID-19. And the question tonight, how did he get the virus at his Miami Springs nursing home?
The victim's sister-in-law says the Miami-Dade nursing home facility had more than 100 patients infected with the virus and was on lockdown for weeks.
Now she wants to know why more wasn't done to protect him. CBS 4's Peter Dench has the story.
The Fairhaven Center here in Miami Springs has the highest number of COVID-19 cases of any nursing home in Miami-Dade County, and a grieving loved one is alarmed.
Always with a smile on his face for everybody.
Carmen Marine remembers happier moments with her brother-in-law, Jose Garcia. She says he was diagnosed with COVID-19 on Monday of last week and died Friday after developing breathing problems.
It's a horrible feeling because we know we all have to die, but having to die under these circumstances, it's terrible. No one should have to go through this pain.
Marine thought her brother-in-law was safe since the Fairhaven Center had been locked down since the first week in March.
Since that time, there was nobody else but the workers. Shouldn't the workers have been tested for that?
Marine thinks there was a delay in testing employees.
They were tested when they found out how many of the older people living in the nursing home had been tested positive. And that's when they started to get afraid.
The state says 3 residents here with COVID-19 have died, and the Fairhaven Center has a total of 121 cases. 71 people are current residents, 19 others have been transferred out. 31 staff members have tested positive. We asked the nursing home for comment but did not hear back. A spokesman reportedly said the higher numbers were the result of vigorous and diligent testing. Governor Ron DeSantis announced that 50 National Guard teams would go into long-term care facilities to try to identify clusters of infections, particularly for asymptomatic staff.
The problem is you don't always show symptoms when you're infected. And so you can do the temperature check and all that. It's important and it does help, but it's not enough. And so we started to see cases in long-term care facilities where no one knew the staff member was sick, and it would spread like wildfire amongst the staff.
It's the worst situation the Miami Springs mayor has ever seen.
Hopefully, the most important thing to me is to know is how many patients recover and get through it, so we give some hope to the people that maybe this disease can be beat and we can fix people when they're sick.
The mayor and city manager both plan to monitor developments here at the Fairhaven Center, and in addition to the 3 deaths from COVID-19, a 4th case here is being investigated. In Miami Springs, Peter Dench, CBS 4 News.